Hey guys, Secret Gbot here, and today I'm here to introduce you to my new friend. Alright? Everyone, I present to you the best snake in the world, Cobra Puppet. Yep, that's Cobra Puppet. He's the coolest cobra in the world. We all know that cobras are snakes, and besides, this is the best puppet that I actually have because Cobra Puppet's pretty cool. Say hi to my friends, Cobra Puppet.
Hey, what's up? I'm Cobra Puppet. Nice to meet you.
Yep, that's Cobra Puppet. And today I'll be making series about the Cobra Puppet where he goes on adventures and do something fun, and even, well, also he loves to go outside, make friends, and go on some awesome adventures. Isn't that right, Cobra Puppet?
Yep, it sure is, Secret Gbot. It sure is.
Yep. So, that's Cobra Puppet. He's the coolest puppet in the world. So, yeah. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. And, make sure you subscribe, post notification bell on, like this video, comment below, and I'll see you guys next time. This is Secret Gbot
And Cobra Puppet signing out. Bye-bye.
Bye.